We spend so much of time in poor and static position that can be in front of computer, TV or maybe mobile phone. If you just sit for 1 or 2 hours, that doesn't really matter. But if you do the same thing again and again and maybe for a long period of time, it might going to affect your spinal health and your overall health. Eventually, your body becomes more tight and the major joints of your body, like for example your shoulder, your hip and your ankle joint, becomes more tight. It may lose the proper range of motion and the muscles surrounding those joints may lose its flexibility. If you want to know the solution for this, then watch the video till the end. Hello and welcome back everyone to Happy Yoga Hub. This is me, Sukanya. In this video, I'll be showing you 4 simple postures or stretches that everyone should be doing on a daily basis. So let's get started. We'll start with first Gomukhasana, cow face pose variation. Sit straight in any position. Raise your right hand up and take your left hand from the back side and try to hold your fingers. Make sure your spine is nice, elongated, straight, and your chest is nicely opened. This asana mainly stretches your shoulders and increases the range of motion of the shoulder joint. Along with that, it will also stretch your tricep muscles. Initially, in the beginning stage, if your shoulders are very tight, you can also choose a belt or towel or a dupatta, anything you can hold just to get the movement. You can hold this side for at least 10 to 15 seconds, then repeat the other side by raising the left hand up and right hand from down. Next one is Shalabhasana, locust pose variation. First of all, lie down on your stomach. Keep your hands next to your body with your palms facing up. You can keep your legs slightly apart or maybe together. Then raise your chest and legs off the mat. Make sure your knees are fully straight. Press through your pubic bone. This mainly stretches and strengthens your back muscles. Also, it helps strengthening your buttocks, gluteal muscles. Initially, if this is very hard for you, you can keep your palms next to your chest line and you can only raise your chest up, only upper body up. Your legs will be on the mat. You can be in this position for again 10 to 15 seconds or maybe more if you're comfortable, then slowly release. Next we'll go for Anjaneyasana, low lunge pose variation. Stand on your knees and bring your right leg forward. Sink your hip down and join your palms together. Keep your spine upright, neutral, and knee and ankle is in one line. This is an excellent posture to stretch your hip flexor muscles and your groins. Be in this posture for 10 to 15 seconds. If you have a very sensitive knee, you can keep a folded cloth or maybe a towel under the left knee and keep your hands as showing in the video. You can even tuck your left toes in for a better stability. Make sure you repeat the same posture by keeping your left leg forward. Our next pose is Supta Padangushthasana 1, reclining hand to big toe pose. Simply lie down, bend the right leg, catch hold your right big toe with your right hand and stretch your right leg as straight as possible for you. This pose mainly stretches the hamstring muscles. Along with that, it will also help you in your gluteal muscles, that is buttocks. Initially, if hamstrings are tight, you can always hold a belt or a strap, or even if you don't have anything, Take a dupatta for holding the right leg. You can also bend the left leg for a better stability. Be here for 10 to 15 seconds and make sure you repeat the same thing by raising your left leg up and the right leg down. So these 4 are the quick 5-minute stretches that you should be doing on a daily basis if you want to keep your joints and muscles healthy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.